Well, we're gonna find out what's going on. Let's just go.
It will run again. The fourth gear is grinding. We're gonna see if we can make the wheels move.
This one doesn't work.
It was either like the best $100 or it shouldn't be able to do that.
This throwback to the 12-hour job. We're trying to stay positive. Oh, mother!
Mark!
The cameraman never dies.
Well, now that it's nice and hot.
Hello, my name is Mark, and today we're in the forest, and our budget just increased. Not by choice. Well, we're gonna find out what's going on. This might be worse than we think, though. It was. Basically, it's shot.
You think it was like that from the get-go?
But that one's good, right?
This one's good.
And we made it this far.
Good job, guys. I'm glad your wheel didn't fall off. So your nut's loose.
Yeah. Let me grab my impact.
Yeah. So I'm thinking either you broke an axle, you're just spinning the diff, and that's why you can't go, or you did break the transmission.
Well, this is a lot of fluid.
It's a lot of fluid, but it's not like a crazy amount of fluid.
So, in all my brilliance, I brought a single jack stand
And no jack.
and no jack. I didn't think that one through.
I thought you brought the jack.
I thought I did.
Oh, we didn't grab it. We didn't go back to the room and grab it, that's why.
Saga continues. Let me grab some tools.
I bet I could get this motor out in like 30 minutes. Think about that.
Well, this one pin doesn't want to come out.
Right now. I think we actually want to keep the wheels on and pull the motor.
But before any additional work could be done, we decided to perform additional diagnostics. Moment of truth. What's happening? Mike, what's happening?
We're gonna see if we can make the wheels move.
Well put. I'm not putting it gear.
They're moving.
It was catching, but it starts grinding the moment there's force on it. Drop the car, you'll see. I'll show you right now.
Drop the car?
Yeah, drop the car.
Okay. But if it moves,
No,
because remember last night?
yeah, it moves. It moves a little bit, and that's it.
But last night it didn't move at all.
Well, it's because we didn't really try.
We did.
Put it together like once, and that's it.
But the wheels move. It wants to go.
I still say it's a tranny, but we're trying to stay positive. You see, we had reasonable suspicion to suspect that the clutch was out of adjustment. So, we went ahead and adjusted that first.
The fourth gear is grinding.
We'll put it to third. That's what I'm saying. That's not clutch.
Could be. Could be worn out. It's just grinding the clutch.
Well, regardless, we're gonna have to pull it all out.
Pull it.
Yeah, let's do it. After this, we'll know for certain.
Okay. Well, now that it's nice and hot, let's rip it apart.
Cool.
The most important thing is we want to remember where all the wires went. Take some pictures, and I think between the three of us, we should be able to pull it out.
Because if it's just two of us, we'll die. The cameraman never dies.
As long as you're hitting record.
And record he did, because it was time for the engine to come out.
I don't know what we forgot to do, so I guess we'll drop it and see what's next.
Yeah, hold it down. Oh!
I think we're good.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes the fuel. Little wire. Oh, mother!
Mark, hold the engine. Is it chilling? Oh, that wire nut's not working too good, is it? There you go, engine. That's pretty good. So, clutch.
Well, we're gonna pull 5, 6. They look like 12s.
Ah, it was 13. It's all starting to become familiar to you, Mark?
This throwback to the 12-hour job.
Oh, and then the transmission had to get replaced anyway.
Yeah.
Well, the clutch is fine.
So there.
It's brand new. This is brand new.
Because look, there's no scoring.
It's not even scored.
It's perfect.
So
See, my clutch work is good. It looks like bad news. Our budget's about to increase. In order to soften the blow of such terrible news, here's a video of the cameraman playing with the local wildlife.
what's up, little bro?
Back to the show. We need this jack to help take that transmission out. There's the motor on the jack. We don't want to drain the oil, and we only have one jack. There you go. Just a little.
It is working, technically. Your transmission's also cracked.
Oh, not that matters.
Probably not that big a deal. So in theory, it should. Oh, let's go.
Sure.
Oh yeah, it shouldn't be able to do that. Oh, it's stuck on the jack. Oh yeah.
It's shot.
The shift linkage is like here somewhere. I missed the table. I think we have proved that it's
The transmission.
draining.
If you know somebody who needs paperweight, we got one. Ready for them.
Where's the shot? Brake
Slap.
line. Brake line.
Always curious with this with you. We're gonna go pick up a transmission, because this one doesn't work. It's the only transmission available 4 miles from the center of Oregon, and this car makes poverty noises. Thanks to our superb skills of surfing the marketplace, we were able to find a transmission. We found a transmission. It's already past sunset, but we found the last one in Oregon. The only issue being is that this shaft is supposed to sit like that, nice and straight. It does not.
We got like a 75% discount on it. Pretty good.
It is very nice.
Hey, it was either like the best $100 or
The problem of a lifetime.
guess we'll see.
After much determination and hard work, we were finally able to move on to the next phase of the project. The only thing we were subject to now was time.
You think we're gonna get the Beetle running again?
I don't know if we'll be making it run, but it will run again.
Okay.
We had to get a whole clutch kit just to get the clutch alignment tool. Cotter pins, gaskets, oil seals from 1972, and enough oil to be invaded by America.